And it feel like said it in a mountain. Hey, Muhammad gotta go this mountain. Something will kill a man, and I think that I just found it.
Oraculewa, baby, what is up? Ask the let's discuss. Baby girl, take a look.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's get straight into this video. I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids, and I'll be using the Pigments base and my Makeup Revolution concealer. I'm just going to press this onto my eyelids, and I won't be setting it. I'll be going straight in with my eyeshadow, and I'll be using this dark brown shade from my Sigma palette. I'm blending it out with this orange shade from my Juvia's Place palette. So you really want to take your time to blend. And ever since I started using this method of not setting my eyeshadow, honestly, I've loved how my eyeshadows turn out. I'm going to be cutting my crease with the same Pigments eye base, and I'm using this in the shade Rumor 4, and I'm using a flat synthetic brush. And one tip I have for you guys is apply as little concealer as possible. I would normally go in with so much concealer, but then I'll notice that my lid colors don't stay well, and I used to wonder why. But then since I started this method, honestly, it has been life-changing, literally. Now I'm just blending the edge of my cut crease with the same brown shade, and I'm going in with EA Beauty glitters. This is actually the pressed pigment, sorry, the loose pigment rather. I don't know why I can't talk today. And I really can't remember the shade I used, but then I'll leave it in the description bar below. And I'm just tapping this in with the same brush I used, and then blending the edge. Yeah, after that I'm just going to wipe off the fallout, and then I'll apply my lashes. And this one is from Afro Glam Cosmetics. And then I'll prime my face with my Ember Release primer and my MAC Fix Plus. I'll just apply this all over my face. This is actually a moisturizing primer, but then since I'm going to be going in with like matte products on my face, it's only right to use a moisturizing primer. So I did the highlights and contour before foundation method, and I used the Maybelline foundation and Be Charm Ageless concealer. I don't know why my foundation was looking too light. I had like 3 sources of light in front of me. I guess it just made it look really bright. And then I'm going in with a shade like 3 shades lighter than I am, just to highlight my face. I just decided to do the highlight and contour before foundation method. Honestly, I don't even know why. And let me tell you guys about these concealers. They are really creamy. I love how it blended. It blended so seamlessly, and I didn't have any problem with it. So if you want one for yourself, just send Be Charm Ageless a DM on Instagram, and they'll be sure to reply you. I'm just going ahead to blend this. I was actually scared I was going to have a tough time with this, just because like it's a very light and very dark shade, so I wasn't sure how this was going to work. And this was my first time of using this concealer, but then it blended out so seamlessly. I really love how it blended out. I can't really say how it's going to hold up, because I actually did this makeup in the night and then I cleaned it off immediately I was done, so I really can't say how it's going to hold up. But then I believe if you set it properly, it's going to hold up really nicely. So yeah, that's just my 2 cents on this concealer. I'm just going to go ahead to, I switched to my beauty blender just so this could go properly, and then I applied my foundation. As you can see, this is what the foundation looks like, my normal shade of foundation. I didn't really apply under my eyes because I was satisfied with how it was looking. You guys don't know, I really love my highlights bright. I'm using the Saharan setting powder just to set the parts that I highlighted. And yeah, I'm just going to press this into my skin. I was really going for a very bright, not very but very bright under eye. I just wanted my highlight to be bright because I wanted it to be. Then I'm just setting all the parts that I highlighted. I'm going to counter contour with a darker setting powder. This one is from Hager and Esther and is in the shade Nutmeg. But then I'm going to dust that off immediately because I don't want that harsh line. And then I'm blending the other parts of my face with Black Opal setting powder. Now I'm contouring my face with the Be Charm Ageless face powder, and this is in the shade 808, and then I'm dusting off the excess setting powder. Now I'm going to spray my face with the Gerard Cosmetics Slay All Day setting spray. This is my favorite of all the ones they have, and it's in shade Jasmine. And then after that, I'm using this Flawless by Mimi highlighting palette. I'm going to be very honest, I really did not like this highlighting palette, and I'm definitely not going to be using it anymore because it didn't blend properly. It was just sitting on my face. I think the last time I used it was like last year, and I didn't even remember how it worked, but I really did not like it. They probably have nice things, but I didn't like that one. Now I'm lining my lips with the classic makeup lipstick in shade Gossip, and I'm going to be using the Saharan Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Buttercub. This has been my favorite nude combo for a while now, and in the next 3 videos you guys are going to watch, this is the same lipstick I'm going to be wearing. So yeah, this is the end of this look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this look. Give me a like, share, subscribe, and please just get to 1.4k subscribers. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching my videos. As you guys know, I've been quite consistent of late, like I said I will be. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, which is probably going to be a vlog. Bye.
Everybody wanna give, everybody wanna take. Fine girls want to get it on, get. Talking loud, want to follow.